Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Calera local and long-distance movers near me. Do you want to relocate to a new destination and you need to hire a cheap Calera moving company? 3 Movers offers top-quality moving solutions at unbeatable prices. You can hire us to handle your small or large residential move or even your commercial move. We know how to make any local or long-distance move easier. Our professionals get the job done, no matter what you need to move or how far it needs to go. Are you planning for a long-distance move? We offer safe, reliable, and affordable long-distance moving services with options such as packing services. Are you worried about packing your valuables? Don't panic. We will do all the packing and unpacking to make your move even easier. Moving supplies. We offer all types of moving supplies to help protect even your most fragile items. Always on-time move. Don't worry about cancellations or delays with us. We show up on time, ready to get the job done. Upfront pricing. Get a free quote from us and you will get transparent pricing you can count on. Licensed and insured. We make sure all your things are fully protected throughout the entire moving process. When you choose to relocate to a new area more than 100 miles away, we can help with the moving process. Our team is highly skilled with long-distance moves. We know how to get your things to your new location fast and safe. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Calera moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.